Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I really want to thank you guys for being so sweet and being so concerned about my well-being. A lot of you messaged me on Instagram and even on YouTube comments asking me if I'm doing fine. I'm doing absolutely fine. It's just that I was just having some bad days, and that's the reason I wasn't able to post, but I'm absolutely fine now. Nothing is wrong with my health. I'm doing really well. So thanks a lot for that. And on my lips today, I'm wearing Purple's Playtime Soft Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Blind Makeover Time 10. It's a very nice brown shade. I think this will look really nice even on duskier and darker skin tones and on fairer skin tones. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips. So in today's video, I'm going to show you one very simple remedy, and I promise you, if you use this consistently, within 3 days you will see amazing difference. Like right now, I have nothing on my skin at all. My skin is not oily, it is not sweaty, but this is how my skin looks. This will make your skin look extremely bright. It will remove any kind of tan and your skin will look glossy. You don't want your skin to look oily or sweaty, but you see this, it'll give you that gloss to your skin and your skin will feel really soft and supple. So I promise you, use this and you will see amazing difference within 3 days. And the ingredients are very simple. You will find it in your kitchen and you will not need to use a lot. You will need very little of each of these ingredients, but the results are amazing, I promise you. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so for the ingredients, it's very simple. You will need a little bit of honey. If you have raw honey, it's even better. You will need a very small piece of lime, because you will just need about 3 to 4 drops of this. You will need wild turmeric, kasturi manjal. If you do not have this, you can use the kitchen turmeric as well, but wild turmeric will make it better. And lastly, you will need papaya, which I just squeezed with my hands and got the pulp. And these are the only 4 ingredients that you will be needing. If you are allergic to any of these ingredients, you can skip it or substitute it with something else, but these ingredients together will give you amazing results, and I promise you, your skin will thank you later. So try not to skip anything, but if you are allergic, then please substitute these ingredients. So if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, just skip it. And always remember, if you are using lime, not to use more, just use about, I don't know, what am I talking? Make sure to use only about 3 to 4 drops. I'm just in a certain mood today. Okay, so make sure to just use 3 to 4 drops and not more than that. Your skin does not require more than that. And if you are allergic to kasturi manjal, which I know a lot of people are, because it can give your skin that slight tingling sensation. So if you are allergic to that also, you can skip it and just use papaya, honey and lime. Now make sure to use this on a clean face. Just use your fingers. Now of course I've used this only on my face, but you can take this down your neck as well, and make sure to apply a even and thick layer. Once you've applied this all over your face and neck, just let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with just plain water. Now because this mask has honey in it, it's not going to dry. So time yourself, and 20 to 30 minutes is good. After that, you can just wash it off with plain water. You do not need to use any soap. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions. So on my nails, I'm wearing this Purple's gel nail polish in the shade High on Memes. It's a very nice shade. I've been wearing this on my feet and on my fingers. So that's the shade. So leave this on for about 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off with just plain water. So this is like the immediate result. After you use it, your skin will feel extremely glossy. It'll feel extremely bright, and papaya will also control your oil production. But since I have extremely oily skin, I like to go in with a serum. You don't have to do it if you don't want to go in with a serum. You can also use just a toner. At the moment, I've been using Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner. It's very nice and cooling for summer. But for serum, I'm going to use the Purple's Oil Control Serum with tea tree and papaya oil. I just like using this a little around my face, only because I have extremely dry skin. You don't have to use it because this remedy will not make your skin dry or oily. Your skin will thank you. So that's it for the video, guys. This is how my skin looks by the time I finish with the whole remedy, and I really like how my skin looks. Like, even on days when I do not have anything on my skin does look very glowy and glossy. And for those who have extremely oily skin, I think this serum is really good, the Oil Control Serum with tea tree and papaya. I will link it in the description box, you can check it out. When you use this in the mornings, you wake up with extremely glowy skin, but your pores will not have that extra oil and sebum. So I really like using this, especially after this remedy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the links in the description box for you guys to check it out. Try this remedy. I promise you, you will love it. Your skin will look amazing. And please share your experience in the comment section. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can comment it down below, and I will try my best to reply to everyone. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.